So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be debuting and reviewing my new silicone breastplate. So let's get into it, shall we? So this breastplate was sent to me from the BoobsShop, so thank you guys so much for sending this my way to review. I will leave their website as well as like the specific breastplate and like all the details and everything down below. And let's get her out, shall we? So the breastplate I chose is the size D gel filler silicone breastplate, and I chose her in the shade number 2, which is for fair skin. She does come in a variety of different skin tones, so I'm sure you guys will find something that will match you, and she retails for €335. She is a little bit higher in price tag for a breastplate, however you are getting a nice like silicone breastplate, and I opted for the one without the kind of back side strap, just kind of tie around the neck like necklace style. And yeah, let me show you what she looks like, girl. And then this is what she looks like. I have had to put like tape over the nipples of her just so YouTube doesn't block it. However, if you do follow me on Patreon, I will be doing a full like uncensored like showcase as well as this look up on there. So yeah, if you want to see more of the girls like unfiltered and uncensored, head to my Patreon. But this is what she looks like. She has a really nice density and like weight to her, and right off the bat, these have so much effing jiggle to them. Like already, they are like so like realistic feeling, and they have like such like a nice like squidge to them. I don't know how else to describe it. So already I am one happy girl. I think they look so amazing and so like realistic. So yeah, I'm gonna pop them on and I'll be right back to kind of like show you them on my body and everything, and we can discuss them some more. And then this is what she looks like on. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I, for one, am already super impressed with her. I do think the colour is maybe a little bit deep compared to like my natural skin tone. However, if I fake tan or like put some body makeup and stuff on the breastplate, I think I can blend her a lot nicer. Like with most breastplates, I will wear like a necklace or like thicker like chokery kind of style thing to help hide this top seam. And you will have to wear something to kind of like hide this side seam on her. But yeah, already, right off the bat, I am impressed, and she has some nice jiggle to her. I'm gonna pop a bra on and my robe again, and we can talk about it some more, girl. And then this is what she looks like with the look fully complete. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I, for one, absolutely love this breastplate. And now I'm going to have to work on making it like look more cohesive to my face makeup. So either applying some body makeup onto her or making my face less orange, which, girl, let's be real, I need to like tone down the orangeness of my foundation. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think she looks so good, and like just so, like the jiggle that this breastplate has is like everything to me. Like, it feels and looks incredible. I know I'm gonna have to invest in some bigger like cup-sized bras, since this is only a C-cup bra, and girl, to say that she's spilling out of the sides and the top and everywhere is an understatement. But I will happily buy some bigger bras to like wear this like with and like showcase more on my channel. So I think it goes without saying that this breastplate from the BoobsShop is 100% Luna Rose approved. I think she looks so good. The believability and like jiggleness of her and everything is so amazing. The fact that she comes in a variety of different shades is incredible, and she also comes in different sizes. I kind of went for like a middle like cup size of D, since I like to be busty, but not so much that I'm gonna break my back. But yeah, I think she looks incredible. She's comfortable to wear, and that's everything to me, girl. Like, in all honesty, I'm gonna be doing this for quite a while after I stop filming. So yeah, I would say this breastplate is 100% Luna Rose approved. Once again, thank you so much to the BoobsShop for sending these breasts my way. They look so incredible, and they are definitely gonna be featured a lot on my channel in the future, since this is actually like everything to me. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be at least one new video every single Monday, 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time. But like I said, make sure that bell's hit, because there's going to be loads of bonus days. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.